About this corridor surface and how we can able to create the cut and fill in the surface with corridor surface. Okay, right. Uh, Now I can go to choose my tool palette and I can use my one basic assembly. Okay, so for example, I took this basic assembly. Okay, so I already create my align and offset also. So I can find out that this one is 3.6 uh, the distance. So I can go to find out my corridor in the assembly. So I can go to properties. The properties, it's almost 3.6 or so. Okay. So I have to check this length. Otherwise, it's uh, going out of my offset. Right. Now I can go to choose my corridor. So I can put in the corridor name, corridor A, and road A, my alignment and profile also I created. Here I can go to find out the basic assembly and surface A. I just press OK, rebuild corridor, and I can apply the corridor. Right? Okay. So what happened now? My corridor is done as per this sample assembly. Okay. So it's done now. Again, I can go to choose this corridor properties. In the corridor property, so I can go to find out the surface. In the surface, I can make the corridor surface. Uh, if you want, I can rename this one, or I can leave that corridor A. This is corridor is my corridor name. Okay, so it's automatically reflected in the same name of this one. So I leave that like this. So I have to keep in the top one. I can add one more top, and you can click in the add breakups. Okay, so it's done now. Okay, so we did from the surface. Okay, right. I can apply, rebuild. Okay, now I did my surface in corridor. Right, I can go back to settings. In the settings, you can find out the quantity takeoff. You can choose the cut and fill. Go to edit. You can just click this two, and the ground EG, it's below. So the below one I can able to use my surface one, and that too I can use my corridor surface. Again, EG, I can go to get it from surface one, and that too I can go to choose my corridor A. Okay, right. So now I did this too. Now I can apply. Okay, and I can press OK. After that, I can go back to sample lines. I have to choose my alignment. Okay, so I can put it row A, and I can just press OK. So it's the row A is applicable from here. So I can go to find out the by range of station. Okay. I can press OK. Now the sample lines are already created. Okay. So I already create the cut and fill here. Okay. Now I can choose one sample line. I can go to find out the compute materials. So here you can find out road A. Here also you can make it the same. E.g. you remember SF surface A and that too surface corridor A. After that you can just apply. Okay. Right. Now it's done. Now you can go to find out section views, multiple section views. Okay. You can just go for the uh, create section. Again, I can do it. Can just select. Okay. I can go back to my section views. Okay. So section view name, road. I can put it. mm, okay. Road A. Okay. I can go to next. Next. Here you can find out our all surfaces are showing here. Okay. So if you want, you can go to find out the labels, e.g. section labels, corridor section labels, corridor point labels, each and everything you can put it. And you can go back to next. So here you can find out the major and major station offset and elevations, offset only standard. So I can just apply. I can go to next. So here you can find out this all details are there, like example they mentioned here. So total volume, I can go for standard. So here you can find out the material or total volume. So I can just go for total volume. So I can add total volume. If you want, I can go for material also. I can go for that. Yes, I can add and I can just go for corridor views. So when I apply it, it's loading now. So it's loading now. Um, because it's so many sections, so it will be take little time to load. Okay. So now we you can able to find out each and every station, cut and fill area. Okay. Each and everything you can able to find out here. Okay. So I hope you understand this tutorial. Thank you so much.